Welcome back, lovelies and friends. And we have on the mix today, Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about bugger things, and now it's about money. So, when it touches money issues, it's something else. Now, she's talking about Ashanti, owing her $200, and that's separate and apart from the $2,000 that he has for her, allegedly. And so, you need to check out the video because there's more stuff on Ashanti. There's people talking about charity, that he was running a charity and he had maybe $100,000 for them and he took it back. So you have to go ahead and watch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always.
Tell them on your mind. Tell them say have your blood clot proof. Wicked ducks drunk with him. The one of them bring it down from Facebook. Bring it down for what? So the girl have approved that. We're seeing proof there. We're seeing proof there. I'm not telling you now.
Me send it on the other number. Yes, they must show the proof. He did get the 100,000 when he went to Jamaica the other day. He did get it. He should have proof there. You'll see.
ABC 1, 2, 3 and this the land. My baby in the breast there, by children. I'm going to say scamming, so to talk to children about that. I'm not the one doing the scamming on children, not me. See there? Wicked. Them are wicked. So they prove them. They never say them, I going to say no. I charity money say entitled to take it if him take it, but don't say him not get it when the blood clot get it. Don't say him not get it when...
He's not entitled to get it. It's not his money. Me have $200 in a 8 and me have to get me $200 from Ashanti teeth in 360. Me have to get me $200 from him. People wanna remember when he collected how much 100,000 for the little girl that was in the brace. The little girl that was in the brace. You can't say the mother had not to 100. These are the kind of people what Ashanti try to help. These are the kind of people. You can't have charity, Ashanti. Ashanti, come here. You no call Ashanti for me, please. Make Dirty 13 stay first. Call Dirty Nasty Thief in Ashanti for me. You no call him for me. Can me go want the $200. Swear God I send him straight to prison for that $200. You can't have no charity. You can't do charity. Go register it if you want to have charity. Do it like I did with Bella's Bucket of Blessing. Please register it like I did Bella's Bucket of Blessing. The little girl that he was collecting the money for, no wonder he went to Jamaica the other day because the only way he could have gotten the money unless he went there. Good morning, my darling. Good morning. Please call Ashanti for me. The little girl that he was collecting the money for, that wanted the braces. You know, remember the little girl who wanted the braces and no found no little money here. The little girl in Jamaica who wanted the braces that Ashanti collect for. Ashanti got Jamaica go collect back the money and nobody not hear nothing about the money. See it here. See the evidence here. You know, go and listen it. See the evidence here.
30. See,
2 days ago this video come out. When he got Jamaica the other day.
See there? And these are the charges that we have taken from the money. See them there. Different from him 100,000. See there's my
refund.
What a bam bam. No, this no sir. This need Jesus. Over here, sir. Oh, Ashanti 637 take the money. See there, sir. All the man say not take the money. Jesus.
I want my money back.
Jesus Christ.
I swear to God, no want me $200. I need the $200.
Evidence, people, 100%. Evidence and proof. 100%. Evidence and proof. Screenshots. No wicked, no blood clot. All of us, everybody at the charity. All of us, everybody get a charity.
No, like up the live and share the live, people. Like up the live and share the live. This one crowd. This one crowd, people. This one crowd.
Wicked ducks drunk with him. The one of them bring it up on Facebook. Bring it up for what? Say the girl about prove it. Where's he prove there?
You know, I've no proof in the money. You name the money. Thank you, my darling.
You don't need to show up on the blood class evidence. The one of them are wicked. A black people, them after them see it. Everyone will win up good and we put them now. Run with it.
Yes, make them run with this now. Ashanti need to pay back the money.
Tell the people in the man, where you say now?
I need Ashanti to call Rehab as well, say. Advice note the time, the date, everything. I make Rehab explain and say don't get the money. Next me will be the
Evidence. We deal with evidence and the truth.
And let him sue you then. That's why I tell Paddy tell him to sue you. The whole of them traitors are bag of blood.
Oh my God. This is disgraceful. This is disgraceful. I wish I had that little girl number. This is disgraceful. I was one of them who donated $200 and I want my $200 back. I want it back. I swear God I'm gonna file for it. I want my $200 back.
Wicked. Them are wicked. Slip prove them. They're gonna say them, I'm gonna say no. I tried to money.
That's why I got Jamaica the other day. Because he couldn't get the money unless he come down fee. Come down, come take the 100,000 and yeah, me half.
Ashanti. We only share the style. We go and take to a video for the baby. For tell the people them thanks and she don't need the brace against the money refund. Ashanti, I come for live one night to come make it look like me a scam. Because the people them a text me for them batty boyfriend them. And them a fuck them or them a fuck him a call me teeth.
Yeah, and Batman friend them too, my girl.
I try to tell some of somebody thief.
My girl, you don't have nothing to worry about. Ashanti, a thief, a criminal that. Criminal. I say him in the life of the rich and the famous. Living what kind of rich and the life of famous? A squatter. He not live no life. A squatter. You never know if you washing ass. Live rich life. You living no life. Please. Don't listen, people. Call him. Tell him to come explain the money. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Janice. Good morning. I think that is an old video, Maxine. It was done a couple days ago. It was post couple days ago. He did get the money though. He did collect the money. Whether it's an old video or not, I have my money in there. I have my money in there and they are showing the proof. They are showing the proof that he did collect the money. So they just get it. Might be, I don't know. He said that 2 days ago on his live. Yes! He said it 2 days ago. So whether it's an old video or not. Not an old video. When he come at Jamaica with you, yes, this when talk about. Listen, I want to listen to me good. Listen to me good this morning. I don't want nobody come over here and say it's an old video. I know he spoke about it the time when we were donating the money. But he came to Jamaica. When he came down to Jamaica, he went there and collect back the money. He did a video long time ago when the money was collected, and I tell everybody he's not gonna give it and stuff like that. I remember that. But this 2 days ago, them put up the video where he came down there. The girl is showing the receipt and everything. He did a live 2 days ago and talk about it 2 days ago. So I don't want nobody come over here come confuse my situation right now. All I want is my $200 back, because the girl that put up the proof was done a few days ago where he collected the money. He collect back the money. Yes, Adrian. Him get it a couple months ago. Yes, he get the money and he not tell nobody. So see the girl come out with her receipt and paper and show up and he say refund. The 100,000, he got it back. So how comes me not hear who they get back their money? I know. How me not know how for me $200 they go and take? You went take for me $200 too. So me don't need back me $200. Me they go need it. When he come to Jamaica ready, when he go about 2 months now he come down here. Yes, when we come down in the same time. At the same time he come collect the money. Can couldn't collect the money no other time. And this is why people always in the wrongs, because you know what? Innocent girl like this now, Ashanti come and tear her to pieces on social media. Tear her to pieces on social media when not him a the damn thief. When not him a the thief. Me no want here say a long time this and a long time that. Yes, a long time, but him just get the money couple months ago. See the girl just come out with the receipt the 2 days ago. Him come out with for him talking to cover up this kind. Must when see this they come. All me want was that me get back my money. That's it. That's it.
The proof there. The name you will see
No listen me a come.
Salaman or we want our Selman, you know, big
Don't give a shit for anyone.
Ashanti 360 or 330. See
I feel that right now.
receive 100,000. See there, refund to sponsor. See then. See there? And these are the charges that we have taken from the money. See them there. Different from him 100,000.
See they mark refund back.
You want back my money. You want back mine.
No, this back. No, sir. This need Jesus. Over here, sir. Oh, Ashanti 630 say not take the money.
See there, sir.
All the man say not take the money. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. So the can't go to people are not coming, but can they come?
In